I am new to this position this year. I'm so excited to be in the Media Center. I was the former foods and nutrition teacher, and this is just a great step up and change of pace for me. I love to collaborate with my colleagues and to work with the whole school community. So after Hurricane Dorian, the library was destroyed. So through grants and insurance, we were able to completely renovate the library. It is state-of-the-art. It includes new book collections, a Mac lab, and also an esports and virtual reality lab. The space is very inclusive and comfortable. Students love to come in here to read and to study and to work. We also have classroom space and clear touch screens so teachers can come in and we can have meetings. It's a wonderful, comfortable place for everyone to come and enjoy the amenities that we have now. We were able to update our book collection by almost 2,300 books. So we worked with students and staff to gauge the needs of our diverse student population, which is grades 6 through 12. So it was important when we upgraded the Media Center that we incorporated industry standard technology, which includes Macs. So we have several iMacs, we have MacBook Airs, and we also have iPads and iPens. So the yearbook staff can come in and collaborate on projects. Art students can come in and draw. We can use the different technology for our yearly film festival, the Haunted Cave Film Festival, for film editing. You know, the iPads are super versatile in the library. We use them a lot for some programming and QR code reading and research.
I'm working on the yearbook spreads for the yearbook. It's definitely making it easier having these big Macs that you can see everything on, like design-wise, and checking up body copy to see any mistakes and stuff. I think it's very nice to have a space where you can come and work. In our current yearbook class, we only have one Mac, but it's also outdated, and so these are very new. And it's very important for me to learn how to use one of these Macs because I expect to be using them throughout my life.
The virtual reality is going to be very important in filling in gaps and instruction that maybe we can't take field trips, so we take a virtual field trip, or we can't do a certain type of dissection in science, so we can dissect a squid with the virtual reality headsets. So this is going to be such an amazing addition to instruction, and I think that the teachers and students are really going to love this going forward. The esports lab is state-of-the-art. It is top-notch. We have a great esports coaching team, and the student team, the high school team, is beginning their high school esports league this spring, and they're going to be competing nationally. So it's very exciting to have an additional sport for students and give them an opportunity to have that team experience in kind of a different setting. Something that we feature in the Media Center is monthly programming. So we work with different teachers to see their needs. We might have them come in for research assignments and use not only our new book collection, but NC Wise Owl and different digital resources. We look at what holidays are coming up, and so how can we get the kids in here with some interactive activities, you know, like finding Dewey Decimal books and then they get a prize, just fun stuff. But going forward, I can't ask for a better Media Center. We have everything that we need, state-of-the-art technology, and we'll continue to work with the students and staff to, you know, curate collections that serve them both in the classroom and for recreational reading.